क्यों दीदी दीदी काज हो जाए तो कहीं चल दी तो कल हमरा ठंडो करना है फोकस चला एके बार पापा जखन एतु सुतै घर में तखन देखी गैलीलियो जे छै से अथी की कहै छै न्यूटन लॉज बनेने छै लेकिन ओ डिस्क्राइब अथी न्यूटन जे छै से ओकरा देने छै लॉज में कन्वर्ट Galileo was born on 15 April 1564 in Pisa, Italy. Galileo died from the childhood interested in mathematics and natural philosophy, but his father Vincenzo Galileo wanted him to Next, he was appointed professor of mathematics at the University of Cordova in the Republic of
supposition
continue to theory of motion. With the mathematics, the professor of you and the study of grand and pendulum formulated product observe that the graphical representation दीदी कते देर में भऽ जाए जोर